So what's up guys, it's Prosper here again, and here's another video. In this video I'll show you guys how you can create a YouTube channel. Hear that right? How you can create a YouTube channel, because it's trend right now. Everybody want to own a channel so that they start making posts and become a YouTube partner and start making revenue of their channel. So I'm going to show you how you can set up a channel just like this. So the first thing we have to do is you have to have a Gmail account. Once you've gotten a Gmail account, you're going to use, once you open up your YouTube, if it's just that one Gmail account on your device, it's going to use that as your default account. So I'll just go right to where I have some of my Gmail accounts. So these are some of my Gmail accounts. So I'll just click on anyone to use. Let me use this Wallace Crypto account. Okay, so once you're here like this, you just type YouTube. So you just open up the YouTube. Right, so if you are using a mobile phone, I've already made a video of how you can do this with a mobile phone, but the best way of creating a channel is to use a computer system, so that you're able to do some setups such as your SEO and every other attribute during the setup. So you come right here to where you have your account, you click on it. So it's going to show you, so create an account. You see right at the top, it's going to show you create an account. So first thing, so let me say Wallace Crypto. Okay, or let me just say Crypto Updates. Let me call this account, or let me say Crypto Genius. Crypto Genius. So let me see at Crypto Genius. So it's already taking Crypto Genius 07. So let's say okay, that's available. So from here you can go ahead and upload a photo, right? You can go ahead and upload a photo. So you can just go on a sample photo and you choose any one of your choice. So let me just take this photograph of this person. Okay, so it's going to be if it's a logo, you're going to create a logo. If it's a picture of yourself, you're just going to upload just the same process. Then you click on create channel. So with this being done, your channel is being created. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make your first post. So you can also check your channel studio. Once you click on your account, you come right here to YouTube Studio. So YouTube Studio is the business place where you manage your channel properly. So I'll click on continue. So everything we have here is so empty. This is so empty. So let's see for the earning aspect. So to become a YouTube partner, so let's see the requirement. They says you're gonna have 8,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour. That is the most popular one. So once you start making content and start uploading, people like your content you're making, they subscribe to your channel, and every video they watch, everything, it will be converted, the minutes will be converted to R, and each R will be shown right here. So that is pretty much. So let's make our first upload. So let's upload the video. So you're going to select the file. So let me just look for, so unfortunately I don't have the videos. I have tutorials and they'll be so long. I don't upload any of those. I want a very short video. Okay, this one is just 5.2 MB. Okay, let me upload this. Then you just name the video. Let me say goods for delivery. Let me say how to create the delivery website. How to create a delivery website. So then you just write a description. In this video, you shall say you will learn how to create a delivery website. Then thumbnail, let's say for now you can't change the thumbnail on your short because the video is too short, it's not up to 1 minute. If this video was used to be long, you will just choose the thumbnail you want. Are you getting it? This is a short, so let's select a template, a playlist. So you can just create a playlist. So I'll call this, let me just say blog. You also can see web development, web project, anything. So let's say web blog, website blog, website blog visible. So click on create. So we've created a playlist and we're gonna click on done. So your audience is made for kids. If your audience is made for kids, you go ahead and select it's made for kids. If your content is not made for kids, you go ahead and select no, it's not made for kids. So you should know programs that are meant for kids. Programs meant for kids are those ABC 1, 2, 3, cartoon and the rest. So you don't give expensive contents in making for kids, just to avoid them being exploited. So the next one we have is the tags. So what is tags? Tags can be useful if content in your video is commonly misspelled. Otherwise, tags play a minimum role in helping viewers to find your video. So you can say, let me say, somebody will just want to come to YouTube and type delivery website. You see, another person might say, how do I create a delivery website? Another person can say, how to create a logistics website. So a lot of people, everybody do not think the same. So the way they are going to ask the question for such answer will differ. So you create a lot of instances of how people can search for your video. Like for the first one, I said some people can be so fast. They are so fast. They don't make things the proper way. They want it so quick. So some people can just type delivery website. So people can say, how do I create a delivery website? So I say, how to create a logistic website. Some people say, I want a delivery website for my business. You see, so a lot of people have search keywords. So you just forge a lot of instances the way people can search for your content. So you have just 500 words to make, okay, and each sentence you separate them with a comma. So the next one you're going to select is your video language. So for me, I'm using English, so I'm using the United Kingdom English. Then what caption? So you can, if you understand what this means properly, you can select the caption of your choice. So recording date is optional. I can say it's today I made the recording. So the location, I'll come on say Lekki Phase 1 Lagos. Then the license, standard YouTube license. Short remix, do you want people to be able to remix your content? If you want your content not to be remixed, you can go ahead and select any of this. So you want to allow only audio, you want to allow audio and video. So then category, add your, you can find it more easy. So people and blogs, okay, this is a blog. So you choose where your content category falls in. For this is I'm doing people and blogs, science and technology, sports. So if you are blogging about sports, you ensure your video categories under sport. If you are traveling an event, if you are building mobile app website, it should be on education or science and technology. And if you are making comedy skits, it's going to be under entertainment or film and animation. That is film and animation, those that creates those animating. If you are doing gaming, so you just ensure that your content falls under its category. Okay, so comment, do you want to allow comment? You can turn on comment or not. So I always like comment so that people know that I'm relevant. So allow comment. So next you're going to click on next. So add related video, so you can add a related video. So one-time verification is needed. So let's see the verification they want. So to be able to add, you can say use video verification, use a valid ID card, build channel history. So I'll say I want to build my channel history because my verification is going to take a lot of process right now to do that. Or you can use video verification. You just look to the camera, the YouTube is going to snap your face, you record your face, and they will upload it. You get. So I'll just use build channel history. So your channel history is being established, so I'll click on done. So let's click on the add related video again. So just ensure once you click on next right here, you can use this one. So let's try this. So you have to add a phone number. So let's see if any of this number we go through. So let me see if this number will still be accepted by YouTube. So this number is associated with so many numbers. So let me think of another one. So this number also has, so I have some YouTube channels that I'm training up to become payable tomorrow. So you're just gonna add your number and get code and input the verification code, and instantly you get verified in your channels up. That is, before you can use any of these features, you should be able to have done some verification. So next thing I'm going to click on next, click on next, click on public, you click on publish. So currently our video is published, so our channel is up and live. So from here you can copy the link and you can share to your friends. So that is how you create your YouTube channel, right? So let's go to short. So we have this under short. So very soon people start viewing it and you're going to see the statistics and the analytics of your video. So if you love what we're doing, ensure you subscribe to our channel, because our channel has a lot of good things to give to you. So see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.